welcome back to the channel, and today I'm proud to bring to you the Renpho U-Neck 2 massager, as you can see here. Now, as you guys know, I go to the gym a lot, and what I get is sometimes get lots of injuries. So this Shiatsu massager is perfect for my neck, my shoulders, back, calves, basically anywhere you need a massager. So today we're going to go and test it out. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use it. We're going to unbox it, talk about some of the features, and give you guys an idea about whether you should actually purchase it. But using this so far, I really enjoyed it. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links below if you wish to purchase. So start using it. So there's the button there. Let's press that, and it switches on straight away. Now, as you can see in the unboxing, there's the red there. So that's a Shiatsu massage head. There's 4 nodes in each one. And what that does, it basically massages your neck around like that. So I've got the heat on, which is that button there. So you can turn the heat on, heat off, or heat on. Let's start by with the heat on. And what you do is you put it around your neck like this. Now, what it does is, so I can feel it getting right there into the back of my neck. Because those massage heads are quite nice and big, it really is kneading in there directly. And it's not pinching the neck at all as well. So I can put it right on my neck too. It gives good space in there. Now you use these to pull it down to give yourself more pressure. Now, you can increase the volume on it. So if you go here, you can press there and make it faster. So that's the fastest. Now you can also do things like put it on the top of your back like that. So on the top of my back there, it's getting right into my shoulders. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that? You can also put it in the middle of your back too. So it gets between your shoulder blades, like right in there. You could do your lower back too. My probably favorite, actually right on my shoulders there, is absolutely perfect. Now, this does time out after 15 minutes, which is good. So it means you're not going to go and get your massager going too much. So you can put it top of your neck. You can put it on your calves, on your legs. So on top of your shoulders too. You can even do it with your chest if you want. So you guys have noticed I work out my chest. Probably not as good an idea. But it gives you 3 levels and 2 directions. So let's change the direction now. Let's go the other way. What it does is it automatically starts twisting the other way. Now, the thing is, it doesn't feel hot when it's on my neck, which is really, really good because of the mesh breathable there. But this feels like a very high quality. I had another massager, Aboya. It's a Australian brand, and it felt a lot less quality than this. This absolutely feels perfect. So if I sit back and put on my neck, you can just lie back like this. So it's really, really nice. The guys have really got a good quality product here, I tell you what. It's absolutely fantastic. So now you also don't have to have the heat if you don't want. So again, just go here and press the heat button. The light goes off like that, so there's no heat anymore. You can do what you want with these guys, really. You can try it in doing certain parts for a long time, or you can do it all like this. But Shiatsu massage is actually really, really good. The reason being is it stimulates the muscles. So a lot of the time you've got knots. So for me, I've got knots in my lower back, like that. And see, I hold this, and it really gets in there. Now, probably if you're starting off, start a bit slower, just so it doesn't, get too much for you. But this feels really, really good. So yeah, another great product from Renpho. And also make sure, guys, you check out the other products I've got from Renpho. We've got scales, we've got massage guns, we've got eye massagers, all kinds of things. Great products, just like this one. And it all helps with your fitness and lifestyle. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification button, and check the links below if you wish to purchase this. And let me know if you've tried this and what you think, but this is a great product.